Hello and welcome back to our channel and welcome to our cake decorating video where we are excited to share creative ways to decorate cakes. Our channel is dedicated to helping you make memorable events. We are glad you are here to learn and get inspired. Let's get started and have some fun. Our channel is a hub for creative and fun ideas. We are share tutorial and inspiration for parties and celebrations. Our goal is to help you make your event special and memorable. We are passionate about sharing our knowledge with you. Thank you so much for subscribe and being a part of our community. We appreciate your support and your love for our content. Your engagement means the world to us. We are glad you are part of our community. You're amazing viewers and we are grateful for you. Your feedback and suggestions inspire us to create more content. Cake decorating is an art form that brings joy to celebrations. Cakes are a delicious way to celebrate birthdays and special occasions. You can customize cakes with different flavors, designs, and themes. Cake decorating is a fun and creative way to express yourself. Birthday cakes are a special way to show love and appreciation. Cake can be decorated with food nut buttercreams or other toppings. The possibilities are endless when it comes to cake decorating. Cakes are a great way to make birthdays and celebrations memorable. You can add personal touches to cake with photos or messages. Cake decorating is a skill that can be learned with practice. We are excited to share our cake decorating ideas with you. Cakes are delicious and a beautiful way to celebrate life's moments. You can create stunning cakes with the right techniques and tools. Cake decorating is a fun and rewarding hobby. We are passionate about sharing our love for cake decorating with you. Birthday cakes are a special way to celebrate another year of life. You can customize birthday cakes with the birthday person's favorite flavors. Birthday cake are a great way to show love and appreciation. You can add candles, sprinkles, or other decorations to birthday cakes. Birthday cakes are a classic way to celebrate birthdays. You can create stunning birthday cakes with the lights and right techniques and tools. Cakes are a delicious way to celebrate life's moments. We are excited to share our birthday cake decorations ideas with you. Birthday cakes are a fun and creative way to celebrate birthdays. You can make birthday cakes memorable with the right decorations. Thanks for watching our cake decorating ideas and videos. We hope you enjoyed learning about creative ways to decorate cake. Happy decorating and celebrating. We will see you tomorrow in the next video. May God bless you all. We are grateful for your support and your love. You are a part of our community and we are glad you are here. Thanks for trusting with us and your celebration ideas. We are honored to be a part of your celebrations journey. Khuda Hafiz and have a wonderful day. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, please